Welcome back, everybody. So right now in this class, I'm just teaching you some more interesting thing. Actually, I'm just gonna teach you about how to link up the page which is not in the same directory. For example, the link and the index are in the same directory, so I'm just creating another new directory, and as I'm renaming it as the test. Okay, now just copy the link. Okay, I'm just copying and going inside the test and pasting there. Okay, now this I'm just renaming the name as sub link. You can type anything whatever you want, and in it's still the .html the extension. By the way, I'm going to the notepad, and what I'm just doing, there is a link page. I'm just duplicating this one, and now sorry, I just don't want to link up the link.html right now. I just want to link the index.html. So just duplicate this one and save and go back to the browser, and this is the index.html, so refresh this one. Now the link page, the index page, and the index page, well, this should be the sub link page. Okay, refresh now the sublink page. I just want to program, or I just want to add the path of the sublink page here. So now, because you know that here we are, just go back. Now basically we are in this page, and for going to the sublink, first we have to go inside the test folder. Okay, so remove all these things, okay, and mention the test folder first. Why I'm mentioning the test folder first? Because I am inside the index page, and the test folder is in the same path of the index.html. So first just mention the same path element. The same path element is the test folder. So now mention the test folder here, and then you know that you have to go inside the test folder, so add the backslash. Okay, now you are inside the test folder, and now inside the test folder, what is the file name? The file name is sublink. That is super easy. I hope you got that. .html. Now save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now just click on the sublink. Now you are in the HTML test and the sublink.html. So exactly you're in the sublink web page. I'm just going to the sublink and actually updating the sublink. Save and refresh now. Okay, now if you just click on the index page, nothing. If you just click on the link page, nothing, because if you just see the URL in HTML test and the link.html, so exactly this is the wrong thing, because the link.html or the index.html isn't inside the test folder. They are inside the HTML folder. So basically this was this way is called the subdirectory. But how to come back to the back directory? Okay, now in the browser you are in the sublink, so exactly how to access on the files which is not in the same directory. So first you have to go back. So I'm just going back to the HTML, and now there a file which we need. Yeah, the index in the link. Okay, so I'm inside the test, the sublink. I'm in the sublink. So for making the backlink back directory link, I'm removing the index link, index page link. No, sorry, from not from the index.html. Go to the sublink, because we are in the sublink page now. Just remove the index.html link, and for going back to the directory, we just don't need to mention the directory where we just want to go. Just simply put 2 periods, okay, and a single backslash. Now good news, we are on the back of the directory. Okay, we are on the back directory. Basically when we are here, if we just click on the link, we are on the back directory. We are there now. When we are there, so the files are visible for us to see. So just directly mention the name, because the file are in the front of us. Just simply type the index.html. okay, and you know that what I just need to do again, 2 periods to go back to the directory, and then put the link.html and save and go to the browser and refresh. Now if I just click on the link page, just see the URL HTML test and sublink. Click there. Now HTML, and where is the test? The test folder has gone, because we just sent our page to the back directory. Okay, so this is a way to go back to the directory. This is a way to go inside the subdirectory. I think this is really simple, but something more I just want to teach you. This is a simple thing, but exactly there is something which is typical. Well, if I just go in the test folder and I'm just creating new one, the sub test, and exactly I'm just copying the sublink going inside and pasting there. Okay, and there I'm just mentioning the test sublink. Okay, this is not necessary to type the test, I just type because wait for a while, the test, just for clearing that this file is in the test folder, the subtest folder. Just double click on it. Now first the desktop, the HTML, the test, and the subtest, and the test sublink.html. okay, now interestingly, again when you are in the test, so it won't work because exactly when you just click on this link, it sends you a little back directory, but exactly when you're here, you just go, you just came back, so there is no index page. You have to go back a more to go to the index.html. so exactly you're in the sub and the subdirectory, so exactly use the same way, put the 2 periods and a backslash 2 times to go back to the back directory double time, or you can say twice. I hope you understood what I'm just telling. Now just refresh. So let's just click on the link page. Now you're on the back directory again, the link web page, and we are in the test sublink. Just click on the index. Just see the URL first, HTML test subtest and the file. So click there. I'm directly on the HTML folder. I just moved back from the subtest and the test, now in the HTML. So guys, I hope you understood these things. Okay, the back directory. One thing more I just want to teach you, just practice out how much you've learned before going farther, but there is something more you must know. I'm closing the back directory links because this can confuse you a little. So basically, yeah, exactly, I'm in the, wait for a while, now here, yeah, I'm there in the index.html, and actually I just want to go inside the test. So you know that how to go to the sublink file, just simply in the index.html, just simply add the test folder and then a slash and then the file name. But if you just want to go in the test sublink, so test, the file is there, the test sublink. Okay, now sorry, this is the file name, and exactly this is not in the test folder, this is in the sub test and the slash. Okay, the first folder which is in the front of the index file, in the same path of the index file, the test folder, then this folder has the subtest, then the subtest has the test sublink.html. if you just want to see, let's go there and the index, and here is the test folder, go inside and subtest folder, and then this is the test sublink. So basically we just linked up the file perfectly. Refresh now, just click on the test sublink. You're in the test folder and the subtest folder, and there is a file. Just click on the index, you're back on the HTML folder. So I think you've learned the geography about the back directory or the subdirectory, actually forward directory or subdirectory, whatever you want to say, both things. So guys, in the next class we'll learn about the attributes too. So stay tuned and goodbye.